What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. I hope you enjoyed the last two videos where we went out and had some fun with the Legends Media guys, and we're gonna have more of that going forward. Dustin and Tim, those guys are awesome, and I'm looking forward to doing more videos with them. But today we're doing something different. Today is an announcement. Today we are going to unveil or reveal the new engine that we'll be putting in our next Time Attack car. Now, if you guys are familiar, and I'll post the video here, we sold the WRX STI to do another car. Essentially, what we're going to do is build another car with something completely way more over the top than what we're used to. But right next to me, right here, which you guys cannot see just yet, is our brand new engine that we are going to be putting in the car. I'm not going to reveal the car today. I'm revealing the engine today, but it is right here next to me. And I guess without further ado, I should show you guys the engine, right? Okay, enjoy. All right, there you guys have it. So our brand new engine that we're going to be putting in the car is a 1JZ GTE. This came out of a Chaser that we ended up buying the engine from JDM Alliance. We've got a really good deal on it. The engine right now sits with about 50,000 miles on it, 50 to 60,000 miles. We're gonna have the complete engine rebuilt, so we're not really worried about the mileage. We're gonna rebuild, build the bottom in, and we're hoping to build the engine for 650 horsepower. We're gonna put a nice big single turbo on it, and if you guys are ninjas on Instagram, you saw that the 1JZ was on the board. So you probably saw it, but this is no surprise to you. But I'm really excited. I've always wanted one of these engines. I owned basically an RB26, obviously in the R32. I have a 2JZ GTE in my Aristo, and now we have a 1JZ. So I'm really excited to build this engine. So today what I'm gonna do is actually take off the hot side of the engine, get that old turbo off, and basically get the manifold and all that extra crap off, because we are gonna do a nice sweet, you know, stainless exhaust manifold with a huge top mount single turbo. So I want to get all that stuff off, and if anybody wants to buy the old turbo, and I will check it out when we see if there's any shaft play or anything like that, but if anyone wants to buy it, let me know. I will have it. It looks to be in good shape from what I can see, yeah, so if anyone wants it, just let me know. So let's go ahead and get started breaking this thing down, and I'll show you guys when we're done. So let's insert time lapse now. right, guys, so as you can see, I showed you guys at the very end there, and I'll show you guys again. I've got the entire hot side off. That was a pain. I don't have an engine stand right now. We're looking to get one, so I had to do it on the crate, but we got it done. So manifold is off, and I did blue painter's tape the ports just because we're gonna have the engine rebuilt, but still, it's just a pet peeve of mine. But manifold is off. The turbo is off. There is no shaft play. There is a little oil, but spins pretty good. And I'll show you guys closer to here in a sec, right now. All right, guys, so as you can see, let's see if I can show you. No shaft plate, maybe just a minute portion, and spins pretty good. So not too bad, not too bad. So we'll end up selling this thing. Hopefully someone will want to buy it, but there you go. If someone wants to buy this, slide in the DMs. All right, guys, so let me show you guys a little bit closer what we got off. It's sitting on the table here. I'll show you real quick. So obviously there's the engine. I got everything off of it. Boom. Okay, we'll take this off. This is the engine mount. We'll take this off because we have to have special mounts for the car. We're gonna put this in. I think the next thing we're gonna do is take the trans off. We'll take the trans off and get that out of here. The other thing we're looking for is a mid or rear sump for this. We need to convert it. So if anyone knows anyone that has a 2JZ or 1JZ rear sump, let us know. And then here is all the parts that we just took off. Like I said, the turbo is in pretty decent shape for how old it is. But let's see, get you guys a little bit closer here. But yeah, not bad. Of course, I just got oil on my finger. But there you guys have it. So that is the new engine for the new build. I am not going to tell you guys just yet what we're building, but there's the engine. We're getting it prepped. I'm going to get an engine stand. We're going to get it prepped. We're going to have that built and looking sweet. So with that, guys, that is going to end today's video. Again, if you are enjoying the content and you're looking forward to this build, I would recommend hitting the like button, hit the subscribe button, come and hang out, enjoy the videos, comment, let me know what car you think it is. And with that, guys, deuces, and we will see you in the next one.